World. We've been here a couple hours, found our room, walked around the resort, and we've unpacked and settled in. We're staying at Pop Century and we're in the 50 section, and I thought I'd give you guys a tour of our room. Alright, so when you first come in, you have this open area right here, and I set up the luggage rack with the boys' suitcases on that. You have this area with the fridge, and we've got all our drinks in there, and this awesome shelf space where I put all of our snacks. Then this area, we put one of the strollers. The other stroller is in my father-in-law's room. If you spin around, right there's the door we just came in. You have a nice area right here, and I put bags. That one down there has diapers and wipes in it, so that's easy to get to. This is a Murphy bed, and we'll pull that down tonight for the boys. We were able to unpack our clothes and slide our suitcases in and under this bed, which is awesome. It's a really clean, neat room. I just love it. Lots of storage in there. There's a safe in there for all of your valuables, and then we do have our clothes in these drawers. My favorite thing to watch is that. Got our jackets hanging up here because it is February when we're here, so at night it is going to be kind of chilly. This is awesome right here for your shoes. And then we hung up my husband's clothes. And then look at all this storage space for your toiletries. It's crazy. Like I am so excited. We got our laundry basket right there. There's another hook here to hang stuff, and then the ironing board. And then in here is your iron and hair dryer. Awesome big mirror with lights around it, and this shelf right here is like the length of my hand. Really nice size to be able to set things on. You have your typical lighted mirror that they have in most of the Disney World Resort rooms now. And then the bathroom. I was even surprised by this. Pop Century is technically a value resort, but it's the top of the value resorts. Look at this shower. Awesome sliding doors. I love this blue color. You have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall, like they do everywhere now. And look at the shower head. Oh my goodness, awesome. Can't wait to take a shower in there. And here's the room from this direction. Really excited to open up that Murphy bed tonight. Check that out. Let's turn these lights on, see what they look like. Right here. On either side of the bed are regular plug-ins and USB plug-ins. Awesome charging stations. Nice little cubby down there for the boys to reach. Alright guys, we're gonna head out to the food court and the gift shop and explore the resort some. It is dark outside. I may try to take a few clips if I can.
Yeah, we're tired as can be. We're rolling just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist of so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
Alright, we got our Murphy bed down, don't we?
Yep.
It's huge.
Yep.
Still enough room to walk with the stroller there.
Yep.
Perfect. Leo. Perfect. Good morning. It is Wednesday. We're halfway through our Disney week and it's our down day. It's almost, I think it's a little after noon right now, and we slept till about 9:30. We just been hanging out in the room and resting, relaxing. I've got the laundry together and that's where we're headed right now. It's down to the laundry here at Pop Century Resort, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do the laundry here in Disney. Sorry. We're staying on the 4th floor, so I'm on the elevator going down to the 1st floor, and the laundry is by the pool. We're staying in the 50s section, and it's just right beside the pool in this area. I would assume every section at Pop Century is that way. Every section should have its own laundry because it has its own pool. And this is how I've done the laundry. We have this pop-up laundry hamper that I just fill full and I tie. And then I just put it in one of the strollers and push it to the laundry. Makes it super easy.
Let's go.
Okay, so they do have a machine in here where you can buy laundry detergent and fabric softener sheets, and each box is $1. And the laundry detergent does 1 load, so about $1 per load if you did not bring your own laundry detergent.
And I've called a priest, and I've called upon the highest of my dreams, and I go to sleep.
Okay, so we've got our washers loaded. We're going to use 2 machines at the same time. All of that laundry did fit in 2 machines. And then you're going to look and see where machine number 1 and machine number 2. So then you can go over here to start the machines. And it takes you step by step. So I'm going to get get my card out. All right, we're gonna insert our credit card. Start a machine. And it is washer. And you can do 4 washers at the same time if you have to. We only have 2 though. We've got number 1 and number 2. And we click OK. And you have selected washer number 1 costs $3, washer number 2 costs $3. And we're gonna hit OK. Washers ready, 1 and 2. Go to washers and select cycle. So we want to go over here and our washers. See? You can't see it good on the screen, but it says select cycle, and we're gonna do colors, and it's starting. Same thing for over here, we're doing colors. And it's starting. You hear the doors lock on the washer. And that's it for washing clothes in Disney. Each washer costs $3. We use 2, so we're up to $6 right now. And each laundry detergent box costs $1 each. So we're up to $8. Done. It tells you the minutes that it takes to wash, and it will take them 34 minutes. So I will set an alarm on my phone for about 40 minutes and then come back down here and switch it over to the dryer. And in the meantime, I'm going back up to the room and I'm gonna shower and get ready for the day. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes, I would say. Yep. Dad's coming, he's rinsing the cups.
Okay.
And we're gonna go move our clothes from the washer to the dryer and then walk over to Art of Animation and eat at that food court today and kind of explore that resort. I'm on the elevator heading down back to the laundry. Hopefully our clothes are dry. We stopped by there to get our clothes on our way back from Art of Animation, but I put everything in one dryer and that was too much. It wasn't completely dry. So hopefully now everything's dry. I'm going to get it.
Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. Fire.
heading back to the room. I'll fold it and our laundry will be done for the day. And then we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom tonight. It's extra magic hours from 9 to 11. And we want my father-in-law to see the Magic Kingdom fireworks because this is his first trip ever to Disney, so we definitely want him to see those. And then hopefully we're gonna ride some rides during extra magic hours.